Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet Taki.
Who free pool now? Who call sorry Kunyano? No ba, sorry, no way. No, so what's our war. It's quite. They say, it's your child, it's you. Child crying, it's you. Free titty, or what did the boys you? They penny. For over 2 pound, is it for Enko Sipo for Ezio Bigara and Tony Bacro roof of Van? What is it? It's here, Pompey said, the cost will gather gas be a big chantem. Now, over to be a gas. If it's a very for the LCO air fire, no, I buy a boca double.
Yeah.
What is it? Your papa said Greek for Bayer transmission line intel, not quasi for two. Now, in the last 2 weeks, I said 3 weeks there, it's a shameful experience in Kumasi. It's your 2 for Kasaya, or 2 for Kasa do so about 1 Kasa as you are paying. You did not waste money. And now, Oma Mushiawasa, Omuchi pay. A far aid in a part. But him one was said, Obun can't Greek was said, Obun can ECG was said, Obun can Riviera was said, Obun can gather gas was said, the chop on the pussa. It be a penny, it be group Basel. Or he said, upon Mamma Casa, and also be bois. Or 2 for, husband pay for the Amacasa. And I did another man pay for the Casa. A ye. Sabina do man. It's shame. Mamma quite a mean church woman. It's a chop on the coca chick was pay for. So we found pioneer daughter party that she said you made the Debiano. But we can't be back on the parliament press conference, finance minister, and yeah, man, who said, Kumasi power shortage or the Ashe budget line, so we can't fee, Kumasi have flooded 4 times. Man, who said, the Western housing minister or the Ashe, we say, I buy a make Kumasi flooded. You look at demonstration. Hey, it's not a teacher by President before the year, Kitasi defense wall. Not so before NDC, okay.
Cleanso. The late Cleanso.
Cleanso. No much discard squander do. No much discard squander. President Foka to go and bring another loan. We also see 2-bedroom house, man. So can I for demonstration petre?
Ebisu your mom pedal.
Also be pedal. Oh petre. Yeah, Ghana, you don't feel so.
Your short memories.
You were short memory. I just said you'll be kind. I tell me you join from the okay.
One carry an idea.
Yeah.
Only Kofi Juma.
Debbie.
Only Max Okujuma. Max Okujuma. Kofi Ghana.
Kofi Ghana. Oh, no idea.
Napo did a presentation on energy saving tips at the recently held retreat for CEOs. It was so good. My issue is that his presentation must be published for everybody because I learned a lot that day. Kwame, on behalf of Adenta Flats Commandos, this is Dan from Kwabenya and New Legon. We usually experience lights out between the hours of 7 and 10 p.m. It goes off about 1 hour. It's been consistent. And it occurred even last night. Dan from Kwabenya says, please turn up.
I don't specifically mean
okay.
Ufro Buju. For Medina Adenta. Echo Medina. The biggest problem they say the area has grown quicker than the improvement in the supply system.
Yeah.
In fact, Oko Baleshi area Hoko in Baleshi area. It's a big shopping area district. Obi said they be text. So the generator crowd the edge one and this one blue. It tells you that South power accept that it affects everybody. In fact, without power, there's no industrialization or economy to run. Tina buying and to this as we took a budget this year power projects are by person or Kwame appendix 10C. Oko power projects are by person you catch Siemens project for Gridco supply improvement system. Ninjina be cheska oba be no afi appendix 10C the afi abai etwesika oba be appendix the doors so tiasia baby will have baby bebre ebi wa medium term ebi wa say but do 10C a specific for projects abai be this year That's you. Ebony saying, Energy Ministry. 1. Development a second gas processing plant. Rural electrification projects. Greenco transmission systems improvement program. Improvement and expansion of ECG distribution network. 5 big areas.
And in our budget.
10C. Approve list of projects to be financed from external non-concessional loans for 2022.
That dovetails into the budget, but answer.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.